Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Suboton store for sending me this transfer board. I am a caregiver, and sometimes it is just difficult to transfer your loved one or a patient to and from another chair. And I really like this idea because it allows you to hook on to the wheelchair, maybe put it on a chair, and slide your loved one or the person that you're taking care of over to another position. I know sometimes as a patient it gets boring sitting in one place. So maybe you could take this and you would hook it onto your wheelchair and then lay it on your sofa or even a slick surface. But if you put it on a slick surface, the nice thing is, like if you're transferring from a wheelchair to a toilet, have the mesh that can go on the seat of the toilet, and it keeps the board from sliding, which is really nice. And then you're able to clean it and make it fresh and use it again. So let's just show you how this works, and we'll get started. Okay, so I have locked it onto my wheelchair here. I have a grip here, and I put the extra mesh here just for stability. Now, if you're working with as a caregiver, of course, you may want to give the person you're caring for a little extra assistance. But this is a slick board, so the transition is pretty easy. You can just transition yourself or the person you're working with. Make sure that your wheelchair is locked in place. You're going to slide over. And you're on the sofa. This is wonderful because it really helps a person who just wants to be in a different position, just a different chair, and being able to go to the restroom. I can't tell you how invaluable this is in just moving a person around. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.